Just the amount of output this thing does, it's crazy. Hey, I'm Sean Miller. I'm the Central Production Director for Rolling Hills Community Church. We're a multi-site church with 6 campuses across the Nashville area here in Middle Tennessee. With full-scale production every week, Haze is a natural tool in our arsenal. We use it every week for every event we do. We've been using an oil-based Hazer that uses CO2 as a propellant, which has been fine, except when you run out of CO2 and the oil-based haze gets on all of your equipment. Basically, we are constantly having to clean filters, lenses, lights. It causes a film and a residue to lay on everything it touches. We were excited with the opportunity to try the Look Solutions unique 2.1 water-based Hazer. The first thing I noticed was just how fast it heats up and starts making haze. Compared to our oil-based one, which probably takes 5 minutes, this thing is ready to go in 60 seconds. The second thing I was really impressed with, we've got an about 11,000 square foot auditorium, seats 1,000 people. This little unit will fill this room. The size of this unit is comparable probably in size, but not having to have a 50-pound CO2 tank connected to it is absolutely amazing. These things look exactly the same. Even the manufacturer says, we haven't updated it because we haven't had to. They run for a long time and they're in thousands of venues, probably all across the world, but I know I've run into them at numerous churches and theaters and places like that. They're just all over the place and they just work. One of the cool things I got to see on this unit was just how thick the haze is. It has a 99-step density setting. So you can go from 0 to 99 and just how thick that haze is, all the way from a choking fog to just something that is very atmospheric. So this is very easy and very customizable. Obviously the Hazer has DMX control. Because Look Solutions has been around for so long, I was easily able to find profiles for our Grand MA and our Vista consoles, obviously trying it in a couple areas, and that is awesome. I love when I can just plug something in, patch it, and go. Getting reacquainted with the Look Solutions, I was reminded of how quiet it is. You don't hear a compressor kick on, it's not going grrr, it's not doing crazy noises, so it's not stealing the show or causing a distraction. Easily connecting the haze is just some quick connect tubing, and then you plug in the power and you plug in DMX. So then over at the console, it was just a quick patch, which changes with every console. But we were up and running. There was no figuring it out. There was no trial and error. It was plug it in and make haze. It uses haze fluid very well. Like, you are not burning through it like I feel like I do with the oil-based. So the benefits of a water-based haze is it is absolutely completely safe for both people and the equipment. I'm not having to go up to our projector lenses and our lighting lenses and clean filters as much. Even our HVAC, our filters aren't getting like grimy, extra like sticky dust and things like that. So it really is a superior way to go about it and what churches should be using. Look Solutions has created a really powerful Hazer at a great price point. I absolutely love it. You need to check it out.